Alright guys, this is the video for homework 3-8, number sense and decimal multiplication. Your job is to do 2 through 10 on the even. So I'm going to do number 2 for you. It wants you to know, it says for 2 through 5, the product is shown without the decimal point. Use number sense to place the decimal point appropriately. Okay, so when we're using number sense, we're using our multiplication skills basically. So what we want to do here is we want to do what we've been doing in class, and we probably want to estimate here. So 5 and 1/100th is going to be estimated to 5 because that 0, 1 is way far away, way below 50, so it's going to keep the 5 the same, okay? And then you're going to bring down 6. 6 times 5 is what? 30. That's your estimation. So now you need to think, okay, where do you think the decimal point is going to go in this answer? Well, you want to get it close to 30, so the decimal point's probably going to be right there. Okay, so I'll do number 4, one more for you. This 600ths, 4 and 600ths, the 600ths, probably going to leave the 4 the same. So you've got 4 wholes times 20, and that's the estimation there. So 4 times 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, is about 80. That's your estimation. So to match up these two, or get them close, we need to put the decimal right there. Alrighty, so that's what you have to do for 3 and 5. Oops, I did 2 and 4 for you. I'm sorry. I should have done 3 and 5 for you. Sorry about that. So go ahead and at least attempt 3 and 5 on your own, since I did half of your homework for you. So I will focus on the odds tonight, for the bottom, I mean. For 6 through 11, tell whether or not the decimal point has been placed correctly in the product. If not, rewrite the product with the decimal point correctly placed. So let's take a look at 7. We have to estimate, we have to think. So this is about 1, and this is about 14. So my answer is going to be 14 something. So is that decimal point in the right place? It is not. We need to move this decimal point over, and that makes this a much better estimation. That is correct. Okay? Let's take a look at this. So we have about 20 times about 8. 6 times 2 is 16, plus a 0. Yes, look at that. That's what our estimated answer is 157 wholes and 7/10 close to 160. Yes, it is. The decimal point is good. So we don't need to change that. Let's go down to 11. All right, 56 and 2/10. That's going to be rounded to about 56. And then we're going to times that by, we can round that up to 8. These aren't really compatible, so I could probably even push this up to 60 times 8. That's a lot easier to do in my head. 6 times 8 is 48, and we add a 0. So we know that our answer needs to be around 480. Is that going to be what our answer is? No. This decimal point is definitely in the wrong place. We need to move it over 1. So it should be closer to 443 and 98 hundredths because our estimation is 480. That's a better estimate. I mean, that's a better answer if we move the decimal point. All right, guys, so your job is just to do those 3, 6, 8, and 10, and please do 3 and 5 since I did some of your homework for you. Oops, certainly didn't mean to do that. And don't forget about 16 back here, okay? And do all of your other homework, okay? Have a good night.